This 2017 born Free-Reign 24RB is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used born free and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath. This 2017 born Free-Reign 24RB is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.